Hey everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Speak Better English. I'm Mia, and we're so happy you've joined us today. Whether you're preparing for your first office job, working in an international company, or simply want to sound more professional in English, today's episode is for you.
And I'm Leo. Communication is one of the most valuable skills you can have in the workplace. You can be talented and hardworking, but if you can't communicate your ideas clearly, it becomes much harder to succeed.
That's exactly why today's topic is business English conversation. We'll practice real workplace conversations, learn useful professional expressions, and share practical communication tips you can use in meetings, emails, phone calls, and everyday office situations.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's step into the world of professional English.
Leo, let's start with a simple question. What exactly is business English?
Business English is the type of English people use in professional workplaces. It's designed to be polite, respectful, and easy to understand.
So it's different from everyday casual English?
Exactly. When you're talking with friends, you might say, "I need this now." But in a professional workplace, you could say, "Could you please send this by this afternoon?"
Notice how the second sentence sounds much more polite and professional. Sometimes changing just a few words completely changes the tone of your message.
Good morning, Mia. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Leo, and I work in the sales department.
Nice to meet you too. How long have you been working here?
I've been with the company for about 3 years. It's been a great experience. How are you finding your first day?
Everyone has been very welcoming. There's a lot to learn, but I'm excited to be here.
That's great to hear. If you need any help, please don't hesitate to ask.
Thank you. I really appreciate your kindness.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy being part of the team. Meetings are one of the most common situations where business English is used. Let's practice some useful expressions. Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining today's meeting.
Good morning. Thank you for organizing today's discussion.
Let's begin by reviewing last week's progress. After that, we'll discuss our goals for next month.
That sounds great. I'd also like to share a few ideas during today's meeting.
Perfect. We'll make sure everyone has an opportunity to contribute.
That's important because successful teamwork depends on good communication.
Many people feel nervous speaking during meetings. Have you ever felt that way?
Absolutely. I used to think every idea had to be perfect before I shared it, but then I realized something. Meetings aren't about being perfect. They're about working together to find the best solution.
Exactly. Let's practice sharing an idea professionally.
I'd like to suggest creating more educational videos for our social media channels.
That's an interesting idea. Could you tell us more?
Of course. I believe short educational videos would increase customer engagement and help us reach a wider audience.
I like that suggestion. Let's discuss it further with the team and see how we can develop the idea.
Asking questions is another essential workplace skill. Professional questions are polite, respectful, and clear. Here are a few examples. Could you explain that again, please?
Would you mind giving an example? Could you clarify what you mean? When is the deadline for this project? Who should I contact for more information?
These expressions sound professional while also showing respect for the other person.
Every workplace faces challenges. The important thing is how we communicate while solving them. Let's imagine this situation.
Leo, we've received several customer complaints about delayed deliveries.
I understand. Let's investigate what's causing the delays before we decide on a solution.
I think our first step should be speaking with the delivery team.
I agree. We should also update our customers regularly so they know we're working on the problem.
Exactly. Honest communication builds trust, especially during difficult situations.
Giving feedback is another important communication skill. But feedback should always help people improve.
Let's hear an example.
Mia, I really enjoyed your presentation. It was clear, organized, and easy to follow.
Thank you. I appreciate your feedback.
I have one suggestion that might make it even stronger. Perhaps you could include a few more real-life examples next time?
That's excellent advice. I'll definitely keep that in mind for my next presentation.
Notice how positive feedback starts with encouragement before offering suggestions. That helps people stay motivated.
Now let's practice answering a professional phone call.
Good morning, ABC Solutions. This is Leo speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning, Leo. This is Mia from Bright Marketing. I'm calling to confirm tomorrow's meeting.
Certainly. The meeting's scheduled for 10 a.m. in Conference Room B.
Perfect. Thank you for confirming. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Leo, business emails are another important part of professional communication. What makes a good business email?
A professional email should be clear, polite, and organized. Here are a few useful expressions. I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to inform you. I'm writing regarding. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you.
Those expressions are useful in almost every professional situation.
Let's quickly learn a few more phrases you can use every day at work. Let's discuss this further. I completely agree. That's a great suggestion. I'll look into it. Could you send me the report? Let's schedule another meeting. I'll get back to you by tomorrow.
The more often you use these expressions, the more natural your business English will sound.
Before we finish, let's share a few simple habits that every professional should develop. Speak clearly and confidently. Listen carefully before responding. Use polite expressions like please and thank you. Ask questions whenever something isn't clear. Respect different opinions. Stay calm during disagreements. And always remain professional, even under pressure.
People may forget exactly what you said, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. Professional communication is about building trust and showing respect.
Here's your challenge for today. Imagine it's your first day at a new company. Practice introducing yourself in English. Then, practice answering a phone call. Finally, imagine you're in a meeting and share one idea confidently.
If possible, record yourself on your phone. Listen to your pronunciation. Notice your speaking speed. And think about one thing you can improve tomorrow. Small improvements every day create confident communicators.
Let's quickly review today's lesson. We learned how to introduce ourselves professionally, start and participate in meetings, share ideas confidently, ask polite questions, solve workplace problems, give constructive feedback, handle business phone calls, write professional emails, and use common business English expressions.
Remember, successful communication at work isn't about using complicated words. It's about being clear, respectful, confident, and professional. Every conversation is an opportunity to build trust. Every meeting is an opportunity to learn, and every email is a chance to make a positive impression.
Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest challenge you face when using English at work? Is it speaking during meetings, writing emails, making phone calls, or introducing yourself? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know.
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep improving. And remember, great careers are built on great communication.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak Better English. Take care, everyone.